Limerence and ADHD are absolutely connected. Now, you can have limerence with other neurological, I'm not going to say disorder because ADHD to me is not a disorder. It's not a superpower either, but it's not a disorder. It's basically emotional volatility. It's not knowing. It's making something out of something that doesn't exist. So you're 14, 15, you fancy a guy, it's your first crush, and you see yourself marrying this person. That's not reality. Now, I know with hormones and young kids, probably that happens for a lot. It is not normal to carry this into adult life. It is not normal to think about somebody you had a crush on 25 years ago in this day and age. It is not normal I hate that word normal. It is not, I don't know what it is. It is not part of everyday life to do this. And the difference between limerence and love is that love is a mutual trust and security between two people, reciprocated, it's there. And limerence is a fantasy, an insecurity. And the thing about limerence is it's connected to the dopamine levels in your body. So if you struggle with addiction, if you struggle, you're going to be addicted to somebody, essentially. That's what limerence is. You are just have intrusive thoughts, you're infatuated, and you're idealizing somebody, and it just doesn't exist. It can be really, really nice, but it simply is all in your head. And that's really sad to learn. And it's really sad to learn later on in life. I wish they taught kids, like when they're doing, sex ed in schools, I wish they taught kids about the emotional side of things, and I wish they taught kids about limerence, because what a fucking waste of time. What a fucking waste of time limerence is. You cannot control limerence, but when you understand it, you can realize, oh, that doesn't exist. So it is very much an ADHD thing as well. I am ADHD, and a lot more of the odd since I was medicated for my ADHD. That's what tends to happen. So you have an intoxication with somebody, you have euphoria, you have just a fixation on somebody, and this is going to make, I've experienced this is going to make me seem like I was absolutely crazy. No, it's actually just something that predominantly affects neurodivergent people. It is just something that we go through, and according to Dr. Bellamy, there are stages of limerence. We have initiation, euphoria, psychological fixation, desperation, and then recovery. And it just fades into the background. And I would say it's probably a good way of actually looking at hyperfixation and hyperfocus as well.